Hello, Jack Middleton, the Empowered Vegan here, and in this video, we're making a kale Caesar salad. Hello and welcome back to the Empowered Vegan YouTube channel. On this channel, I'm delivering up recipes, tips, and tricks on the weekly to help you elevate the way you eat. Now, if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. You might want to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get notified every time I post a video. Caesar salad is a very special thing. When I first discovered Caesar salad, I realized that I actually didn't need any other salad dressing. I would just always order a Caesar salad as a young child. That's all I needed. Why would I get a balsamic vinaigrette dressing when I can have a Caesar salad dressing? There really was no contest. Now, as an adult, I still love Caesar, but when I went vegan, I stopped eating the things that go in Caesar salad dressing, so what was I supposed to do? I had to make my own. And this Caesar salad dressing is off the hook. The nice thing about a Caesar salad is you can really make it with whatever greens and whatever ingredients you want to put into the mix. For this one, we're keeping it super simple because this recipe really is just a way for me to give you my Caesar salad dressing. Doesn't matter what you put into it. You could use arugula, you could use red romaine, you could use black kale, purple kale, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Use whatever lettuce you have around. The important thing is that you make the dressing and you taste this because it is a tasty dressing. All right, let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna chop up your romaine. Then you're gonna strip your kale and you're gonna chop it. Submerge the romaine and kale in cold water and drain it off and spin it. Next, you're gonna slice up your radishes and your shallots. You can cut these with a knife, but I love using a mandolin for these jobs because it makes it so quick. Then we're gonna make the dressing. The dressing is dead easy because all you need to do is you need to combine all of the ingredients into a blender and blend it until smooth. It really is that easy to get a good Caesar dressing. The next step is optional but recommended. The sunflower seed Parmesan is a delicious topper for salads, pastas, anything you want to throw a little bit of salty, savory goodness on top of. All you need to do is put it into a blender and then grind it very quickly into a fine powder. This will take probably about 5 seconds in the blender. You don't want to take the sunflower seed Parmesan too far because if you blend the crap out of this, it's going to turn into a seed butter. Once your dressing's finished, toss it with the salad, throw it on a plate, smother it in the Parmesan, and you, my friend, are good to go. Doesn't that look delicious? Doesn't that look delicious? Check that out. It's a vegan Caesar salad. Put it in my mouth. Wow, I can't believe it. Feed it to my friends. Meat eaters or not, I guarantee you that they will want more. I was never gonna make it as a rap artist, so I do this instead. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.